way too scary for kids.
Chessington, folks, that is a map of Chessington World of Adventures. It is our little man's how old is he? 2-year-old birthday in a couple of days, so we decided to take him to Chessington World of Adventures. He's never been to a theme park before. Gotta say, there was a few parental errors going on there. You'll see for yourself, but I think we've just about clawed it back. Now, we are in the midst of a global pandemic, so there were a few extra screening processes at the park. We had our temperatures checked when we got there. You had to do your social distancing around the park. The park was a limited capacity, which actually works out in your favour, considering the longest queue time was probably 20 minutes, which isn't bad when you've got a toddler in a queue. But anyway, here's how we got on. How tall are you, buddy? Isaac, we're gonna go on some rides? Wow. Are we gonna go?
You wanna go on that one?
Yeah. Isaac, we're going on the big scary ride? Yeah?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
That is way too scary for kids. Okay, are we going on Buffalo? Isaac, did you enjoy your day?
I give up, that's it.
All in all, a good day out. Toon Blaster was a terrible idea. Once it says kids below 1.1 meters, you think it's not going to be so bad. It's only till you go on the ride you think we've screwed up here. We've screwed up big time. I think we salvaged it on the trucks, and I think we salvaged it on the cars. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!